Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on dark mode on WhatsApp. So if you find this video useful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more helpful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up WhatsApp, then you should see three dots on the top right hand side, so you just want to tap on there. And once you're on here, go into settings, then about halfway down you should see chats, so you just want to click on that. And then at the top it should bring up theme. So all you need to do is click on there and it'll give you three options. So you can use system default. So this just means whatever your device is set up as, WhatsApp will remain the same. And you could also change it to dark mode. So if you want to do this, regardless of what your device is set up as, WhatsApp will stay in dark mode. So that's how you can turn on dark mode on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.